Good morning, 9:09 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, as we have to cover the charts. We have some breaking news as well to get into. It actually just dropped about an hour ago, so I'm pretty excited to share this news. It has nothing to do with our channel. It has to do with XRP, with the crypto regulation as a whole, and the shady games the SEC is playing. So a Ripple lawyer has called them out. So right now what's going on, a very quick synopsis. The US dollar currency index started off hot last night, got rejected up here at 106.82. Now we came back down to support, which the 200 days down here at 106.34.6, and then we've actually got a support line at 106.20. Massive implications all the way around. You've got the US, the total crypto market cap is up to 1.11 trillion. We're staying above these EMA ribbons. We did have a confirmed breakout. Well, on August 7th, we talked about how we came down, hit this support. Until we break this now, we got a chance to move up, and we have rallied up a little bit here. So we're going to see how this plays out, but that's an ascending triangle breakout. If you come to Bitcoin, just going to go through here pretty quickly this morning. We had three targets: 23,705, 23,951, and 24,093. If we could stay on top of 24,93, that's how you start to build some pressure up to that 26K target we talked about, 26,565. You'd have to get on top side of 24,093. As of right now, that was such a nice move up. It's not like we had this outrageous volume that came in. We did have a cluster of volume. So we're going to see if we can hold that 24,093. That's the parabolic line. It's that simple. If we don't hold that, we'll come to 23,955 and 23,707. Those are your three chances to hold bullish there and continue up in a parabolic sense. Or you got to come back down to the uptrend now and retest it at 23,295 approximately. So that's what we're looking at with Bitcoin, and then with XRP, and then we're going to get into this news. XRP confirmed this breakout of this descending triangle just like Bitcoin on August 8th. We broke up, and now we're still August 8th, but we finally came over this. This is what we've been talking about. We didn't know if we were going to go down, go up, but this is, remember along the couple days ago that it figured me everybody out? This is what the move I was targeting to do this. Remember we had 38.46 and 38.06? We've already hit 38.06, use that as support. Now we're going to try to push 38.46 unless we break back down. And this will be valid unless we break back into that ascending triangle pattern. If we do, we would come back down below about 37.40 and work our way back into here and then likely break down. So right now we're trying to build off a confirmed breakout. It just happened a few hours ago. And we're going to see if this continues. If it continues, we have to break 38.46 as resistance. So that's what I'm looking at this morning. Pay attention very closely, and if you have to, watch it twice. Make sure to hit that like button. It really does help. Get me likes. If you guys would share this far and wide on social media, that's the biggest help of all. And then consider joining Tom's Army for $9.99 a month. The numbers slack, but that's okay. The crypto market's been down. We do other things here besides just members of Tom's Army. We do a lot of things. It's just how involved you want to be. If you want to be involved, if you want to talk to everybody, and you want to be on the same page with XRP and people that believe in the same things, join Tom's Army, $9.99 a month. I give you that Telegram. I created it for all the members. There's 256 members in there currently. SEC Chair Unlawful, expansion of Howey. XRP lawyer warns crypto industry. U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, added more digital assets to its list of securities lately. However, the XRP holders lawyer came as alarmed crypto supporters in Congress over the SEC's unlawful expansion of the Howey test in due time. Will SEC expand the test? John Deaton, XRP holders lawyer in the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit, said that crypto traders need to be aware of the Commission's recent activities. He mentioned the latest argument made by the Commission in the summary judgment against the LBRY. He claims that the SEC chair, Gary Gensler, is unlawfully trying to expand the law. Watchdog's lawyer stated that even if someone buys a token to use it, objectively it can be said that the buyer also expects a profit and it can be considered a security. Deaton highlighted that the judge will issue its ruling within the next few months. XRP lawyer draws attention to over SEC's claim over the XRP token. In the Ripple lawsuit, he stated that the Commission claims that XRP embodies all of Ripple's efforts. However, the token itself is representing the investment contract with the firm. This also includes the secondary market. What if the argument gets approved? Deaton asserted that crypto traders can get into danger if this argument gets the green light from the court, as this will imply that simply owning an asset can lead them into the common enterprise. According to the argument, SEC implicated that the utility of the asset will not matter. Even if a buyer with the full intention of consumption buys an asset, then it can be staged that he/she expects the price surge of a security. As per Deaton, the SEC lawyer even mentions that the other prong does not have to be linked with the promoters. The commission is aware of the fact that crypto investors can stake their assets independently of the promoters. So that's very interesting news. So make sure to hit that motherfucking like button.